Hi students, so welcome to the next session. Previous session we finished up to 27 questions and one small information on 14th this week Saturday you have competitive exam 30 questions competitive exam, each question carries 1 mark and the chapter is inverse trigonometry. Exam is in between 9 to 10 am. You need to write in that 1 hour mathematics and biology. Mathematics is on both on 14th only. Within 1 hour you have to complete and you have to send the key before 10:15 am. If you send after 10:15, it is a delayed. As a late submission means you won't get the result through SMS. That's why after completing 9 to 10 am, immediately you need to write the key. You know how to write? Question number 1, option. What is the answer you got? A or B, whatever. Similarly, like neatly write down option. We need to visible clearly. From 1 to 30, question number 1, A option, question number 2, D, like that. After writing option, just write in paper, take a snap and send through WhatsApp number already we given. We'll correct that, we'll send result through SMS. And 10:15 before only you need to submit the key. After 10:15 if you submit, you won't get the result. Thank you. Now coming to question number 28. If I equal to integral dx by 2ax plus x square whole power 3 by 2, then I value we need to find out in the simplified form. Now here observe this 2ax plus x square, I can write x plus a whole square minus a square. If you expand this x square plus a square plus 2ax, a square cancel, get this expression only. Now for this I am taking I, now it will becomes integral dx by this total I am writing x plus a whole square minus a square whole power 3 by 2. Now already I said substitution concept. When x square minus a square is there, x is either a secant theta or a cosecant theta. That's why I am substituting this x plus a is a secant theta. Now differentiate this with respect to x only. X derivative 1, y derivative 0, that is dx equal to a into secant derivative secant theta into tan theta d theta. Substitute in that function, integral dx is a secant theta d theta, tan theta d theta divided by x plus a is a, that is a square secant square theta minus a square whole power 3 by 2. Now a secant theta tan theta into d theta by a square common, that is a square whole power 3 by 2 remaining secant square theta minus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Now your square will be cancelled root. Now a secant theta into tan theta d theta by a cube into secant square minus tan square formula is tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. Again the square root will be cancelled. One a value will cancel, you will get 1 by a square. That is integral of secant theta into tan theta d theta by a square into tan cube theta. Here one tan will be cancelled. From this secant theta you can write 1 by cos theta by a square. Remaining what will be there? Tan square will be there. Tan square I can write sin square theta by cos square theta into d theta. One cos will be cancelled. Remaining cos will comes to numerator. Take 1 by a square is common. Integral of cos theta by sin square theta d theta. Now here sin derivative is present in numerator. That's why again you are substituting. Put sin theta is some u in a different symbol. If you differentiate with respect to theta, sin derivative cos theta into d theta is equal to du. Substitute in the place of respective terms. Cos theta d theta is du. by what is the sin theta is u square, 1 by t square 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, already we given many times, that is minus 1 by u plus c. Now first substitute what is the u value, u stands for sin theta, that is minus 1 by a square into u plus u means what here, sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta, we can write cosecant theta plus c. Now from this expression x plus a is equal to a secant theta, we need to convert in terms of x and y. From that secant theta what you will get, x plus a by a. According to Pythagoras theorem, this is theta means secant, how to identify, hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse clearly x plus a, adjacent is a. How to find opposite, hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Already x plus a whole square minus a square value we know, 2ax plus x square. Now we got opposite also. Now from this expression, minus 1 by a square into cosecant theta means hypotenuse by opposite, that is x plus a by under root of 2ax plus x square plus c, that is option C is the correct one. So next question number 29, integral dx by x square into x power n plus 1 whole power n minus 1 by n equal to the given minus f of x whole power 1 by n plus c, then f of x we need to find out clearly. Okay, now here this is in terms of n is there, but in terms of x square is there. To simplify this x square, I will take x power n is common from this. When I take x power n is common, that power is applicable for this also. Now x power n common means what will get, 1 plus, here not there means what will get, 1 by x power n whole power n minus 1 by n, where n gets cancelled. Integral of dx by, now your base are same, add powers, 2 minus 1, that is 1 clearly, x power n plus 1 into 1 plus, this is x power minus n whole power n minus 1 by n. Now I will take this is t, reason differentiating this expression will present, that's why I put 1 plus x power minus n is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x only, 1 derivative 0, this is x power n derivative, that is minus n into x power minus n minus 1 into dx equal to dt. Now this minus n send that side, this will take into denominator, that power minus becomes plus, 1 by x power n plus 1 dx equal to minus 1 by n into dt. Substitute in that, dx by x power n plus 1 is minus 1 by n is a constant, take common, integral of 1 by, this is totally t power n minus 1 by n into dt. Take this one into numerator. When you are taking this one into numerator, this n minus 1 becomes 1 minus n, that is integral of t power 1 minus n by n dt. Now it's clearly in the form of x power n formula, t power 1 minus n by n plus 1 by 1 minus n by n plus 1 plus c minus 1 by n, t power, take LCM, n minus n cancel, that is 1 by n. You take LCM, n minus n cancel, 1 by n plus c, here n gets cancelled, minus what is the t value, 1 plus x power minus n whole power 1 by n plus c. Check one's options, yeah, they given in that form only, that's why in the place of f of x what is there, that is f of x equal to 1 plus x power minus n is the answer, that is option B is the correct one. So next, coming to question number 30, Question number 30, integral x power 4 minus x whole power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. Now here power is there, fourth root is there, that's why highest power what is there here, 4, x power 4, take common from the numerator. I'm taking x power 4 common, that's why the power is applicable. X power 4 common means 1 minus x by x power 4 means 1 by x cube, that is whole power 1 by 4. Reason, directly x by x power 4 means 1 by x cube I have taken, by x power 5 dx. Here power 4 cancel power and root, x into 1 minus x power minus 3 whole power 1 by 4 x power 5 dx. Now here x cancel means what, remaining power 4. That's why 1 minus x power minus 3 whole power 1 by 4 by x power 4 dx. Now if you differentiate this one by taking t, this value will be present in that. That's why put 1 minus x power minus 3 is equal to t. Now I am differentiating this one. Derivative of 1 is 0, minus of x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1, minus of minus 3, x power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, dx equal to dt. Send this 3 right side, take this one into numerator, so denominator. What will get? 1 by x power 4 dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. Substitute these all values in the given expression. 1 by 3 is constant common, this is completed t whole power 1 by 4, remaining dx by x power 4 already 1 by 3 common, remaining dt. Again x power n formula, 1 by 3 t power 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 by 5 by 4 plus c. This 4, 5 by 4 becomes reverse, that is 4 by 3 5s are 15. T stands for what? 1 minus x power minus 3 whole power 5 by 4 plus c. They simplified, take this one to denominator, that is 4 by 15 into 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 5 by 4 plus c. That is exactly this expression is there in option A. So option A is the correct one. So next, question number 31. Integral x power 5 by 2 by root of 1 plus x power 7 dx. This one we can't do anything directly, 5 by 2 into root of 1 plus this x power 7 I can write x power 1 by 2 whole square, because again if you simplify square root and by 2 will be cancelled. Now I will consider this x power 7 by 2 is t. Reason, by derivating we will get this expression, differentiating this x power n formula 7 by 2, x power 7 by 2 minus 1 is 5 by 2 into dx equal to dt. Send this 7 by 2 that side, it will becomes 2 by 7 into dt. Now this 2 by 7 is constant, take common, remaining 1 by under root of 1 plus t square dt. This is in the form of integral 1 by root of x square plus a square or a square plus x square, that is 2 by 7 log mod of t plus under root of t square plus 1 plus c. Now substitute the t value. What is the t stands for? X power 7 by 2, that is 2 by 7 log mod of x power 7 by 2 plus under root of t square means x power 7 by 2 whole square, 2 to cancel, x power 7 plus 1 plus c. This is a required value, that is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 32. 32, what is given? The value of integral x square plus x into x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power 9 whole power 1 by 10 into dx. Now from this, x square plus x into this I can write 1 by x power 8, this I can write 2 by x power 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. But we need to power what is there 1 by 10. This one we need to convert in terms of x power 10 concept. X power 10 term. For that I am taking x 1 by x power 8, I am writing x square by x power 10. By simplifying we will get 1 by x power 8 only. This I can write 2x by x power 10 whole power 1 by 10 dx. Now here x into x plus 1, x common in this 2. Here LCM is x power 10, that is x square plus 2x whole power 10. LCM is x power 10 only now. By applying 1 by 10 we will get it becomes x only into dx. Now here x gets cancelled. Now I will consider this x square plus 2x is t. Put x square plus 2x is equal to t. Differentiate this. Now x square derivative is 2x. 2x derivative is 2 into dx equal to dt. Now from this 2 take common and send right side. Remaining value is x plus 1 into dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt. Now this all values substitute in that. 1 by 2 I will take common. X plus 1 into dx is that we got 1 by 2 dt. T power what remaining 1 by 10. Now here 1 by 2 into just x power n formula apply. T power 1 by 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 10 by 11 by 10 plus c. We can simplify this in this. 2 1s are 2, 5s are. This will comes to numerator 5 by 11 into what is the t value substitute. T means x square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10 plus c. That is see in option A. Option A having this same expression. That's why it is option A is the correct one. So integral 3 sin x plus 2 cos x divided by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx equal to, they given small ax, small b into log of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus capital C given. Here we need to find the small a and small b. Already we given integral form, integral p cos x plus q sin x by a cos x plus b sin x is given, means we have to write this numerator. What is the numerator? 3 sin x plus 2 cos x equal to, here small a, that's why I am using small a only. Small a into denominator. What is the denominator? 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Actually capital B, where we are taking small b only. Small b into d by dx of denominator. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Now this is we'll take it as equation number 1. Later we can take one more step. 3 sin x plus 2 cos x a into 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus b into derivative this minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. This will consider as equation number 1. We need to find a and b. I am comparing the coefficients of cos x and sin x. Here what is the cos x coefficient? 2. Here cos x coefficient is 3 into a, 3a. Here p into 2, that is 2b. That is one equation. Sin x coefficient here 3 equal to 3a into 2, that is 2a. Now minus b, so b into minus, that is minus 3b. Now we need to solve these two equations to find a and b. This is second equation, this is third equation. To eliminate b, I'll multiply here 3, here 2. So a second equation I am multiplying with 3. What will you get? 9a plus 6b equal to 6. Third equation I will multiply with 2. 4a minus 6b equal to 6. Now here by subtracting minus plus minus or minus plus, here only adding, do adding only, because 6b cancel, these two are cancel, total what? 13a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 13. A value we got. Next, to find b, I am taking from equation number 2. 3a, 3 into 12 by 13, that is 36 by 13 plus 2b is equal to 2. Send this value right side. 2b is equal to 2 minus 36 by 13. 2b is equal to LCM 26 minus 36 by 13. 2b is equal to what? Minus 10 by 13. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Now b value clearly we got minus 5 by 13. By dividing, this is totally cancelled. Integral of dx is x, you will get. This is by dividing the denominator, integral f dash of x by f of x log mod f of x will get the same expression. That's why a value is 12 by 13, but this b they changed, multiplied and divided with 3. This b already what you got? Minus 5 by 13. They multiplied with 3 and divided with 3. Now what will get? Minus 15 by 39. This is a b value. This is a value. Now option C is the correct one. They are not given minus 5 by 13 mark. They multiplied with 3 for numerator and denominator. Next. Question number 34. 34 is given integral x cube by under root of 1 plus x square dx. Here x cube I can write x square into x dx by under root of 1 plus x square. It is not in any standard form. To eliminate the square root, I will consider 1 plus x square is a t square. The root and square will be cancelled. From this I will find out x square also. X square will become t square minus 1. Now differentiate this. 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x into dx equal to 2t dt. Now 2 gets cancelled. X dx value is t dt. X square means what? T square minus 1. X dx means t dt. This is completely t square. Root of t square is t. Now tt gets cancelled. Now what remaining is there? T square minus 1 into dt. Now we can integrate easily. Integral of t square, that is t cube by 3. Integral of 1 dt, t plus c. Now they simplified. Yes, they simplified. In this we can take common. Which one you can take common? T common. Take t common, what will you get? T into t square by 3 minus 1 plus c. T square, take LCM. T square minus 3 by 3 plus c. Take this 3 outside and substitute t square value. So only t common ma. Now t means what will get? Under root of 1 plus x square will get. That's why under root of 1 plus x square by 3 into t square means what? 1 plus x square minus 3 plus c. Now from this under root of 1 plus x square by 3 into x square 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus c. Now from this 1 by 3 into root of 1 plus x square into x square minus 2 plus c, that is option D is the correct one. Next, question number 35. Integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos x equal to a into tan inverse of b tan x by 2 plus c. Here we need to find a value and b value. Already we given this type of functions, integral dx by a plus b cos x or a plus b sin x or a cos x plus b sin x. For that all terms we need to substitute cos x in terms of tan x by 2 formula, and we need to take tan x by 2 is t. Here dx by 5 plus 4 cos x I am writing in terms of tan 1 minus tan square x by 2 by into dx. Take LCM is what? 1 plus tan square x by 2 multiplying here means it's 1 by 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2. 4 multiply inside, 4 minus 4 tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This value comes to numerator 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 5 plus 4, that is 9. 5 tan square minus 4 tan square, that is only 1 tan square x by 2. 5 plus 4 is 9 into dx. From this 1 plus tan square I can take secant square x by 2 by tan square x by 2 secant 3 square dx. Now which function derivative present in this? Tan x by 2 derivative present in this. That's tan derivative is secant square x by 2. That's why put tan x by 2 is equal to t. By differentiating this, what will you get? Secant square x by 2 into x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2 into dx equal to dt. Now say 2, send that side. Secant square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt. Take the 2 common. This complete is dt. So 1 by tan means t, that is t square plus 3 square dt. This is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square, that is 2 into, what is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by, that is t by 3 plus c. 2 by 3 tan inverse of, this is 1 by 3 into t means tan x by 2. Now compare with RHS what they given. So a value is 2 by 3, b value 1 by 3. That is option B is the correct one. Yeah, one time is enough. So next, question number 36. Integral of dx by under root of cos x minus cos cube x by 1 minus cos cube x dx. Now, okay, in this, like root separately, root of, I will take cos x common in numerator, what remaining 1 minus cos square x by here under root of 1 minus cos cube x dx. Under root of cos x into 1 minus cos square is sin square x by under root of 1 minus cos cube x dx. Now one more step, root cos x, root of sin square is, that is sin x only, by under root of 1 minus cos cube x dx. Here I will substitute the cos is t, reason cos derivative minus sin, okay, but sin is present in the numerator, that's why put cos x is equal to t. Now it will change complete function in terms of t only. So by differentiating this with respect to x only, minus sin x dx equal to dt, send minus right side. From this, sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now minus is common. Integral of root t by root of 1 minus t cube dt. Again here, any simplification we can't do dividing and not possible. So root t by, so root of 1 minus t cube I can write t power 3 by 2 whole square. By differentiating this, we will get this root t, guarantee will get by differentiating value. That's why I am changing t cube in the form of t power 3 by 2 whole square. Now I will consider again t power 3 by 2 is u. Differentiate this. What will get x power n formula? Derivative n into x power n minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. dt equal to du. Send 3 by 2 that side, it becomes 2 by 3. T power 1 by 2 means root t dt equal to 2 by 3 du. Now 2 by 3 common you will get minus 2 by 3. Root dt is only 1 by root of 1 minus u square into du. This is in the form of integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse x formula. That's why minus 2 by 3 sin inverse u plus c. Minus 2 by 3 sin inverse of u stands for what here? T power 3 by 2 plus c. Again, what is a t cos x? That is minus 2 by 3. One more, they converted in terms of cos also ma. That's why I will convert in terms of cos, because no option having minus symbol. That's why I will do one thing. Before taking only, I will keep this minus inside and I will take only 2 by 3 outside. I will take common. We have formula integral minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square is cos inverse x formula, that is cos inverse u plus c. Now 2 by 3, because no option having a minus symbol, so cos inverse of this is t power 3 by 2 plus c. That is 2 by 3 cos inverse of, what is the t means? Cos x. This cos x whole power 3 by 2 means cos power 3 by 2x plus c. Now in which option having this one? Option C is the correct one. Minus take inside and simplify. Next, question number 37. Integral root cot x minus root tan x dx. That is I equal to. So directly we can't integrate, we don't have any formula. So integral, this I change it into cos and sin both. Root cos by root sin. Root tan I can write root sin by root cos. What is LCM? Root of sin x into cos x. This root cos into root cos, that is cos x minus sin x by under root of sin x into cos x dx. Here the condition, the derivative of which function is present here. There is no function present, derivative of anything. Here we need to take assumption that function derivative is, we need to get here in numerator. Which function derivative will get? Cos sin x derivative. Minus sin required means we need to take plus cos. If you differentiate this function, sin derivative cos, cos derivative minus sin, that's why I am taking this is t. This type of questions, the derivative of the function is not present in the given integral term. We need to assumption that function will be derivative here. Differentiate this. Cos x minus sin x into dx equal to dt. Okay, this is changed into t. But we need to change this also now. That's why. Same function we are squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square. Sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin x into cos x equal to t square. This is 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x equal to t square. Send 1 that side. 2 sin x cos x equal to t square minus 1. Send 2 that side. Sin x cos x equal to t square minus 1 by 2. Now substitute all terms in this integral. This is the dt, that is 1 by under root of sin x into cos x is t square minus 1 by 2 into dt. This root 2 value comes to numerator, that I will take outside. Integral 1 by root of t square minus 1 dt. This is in the form of integral 1 by root of x square minus a square formula. What is the formula for that? Log mod of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. What is the t value? Sin x plus cos x. Root 2 into log mod of sin x plus cos x plus under root of t square minus 1. They simplified, see one, just they given simplified form. That's why t square minus 1 already there here. T square minus 1 what? 2 sin x cos x. Again substituting not required. T square minus 1 we know already, that value directly substituting. Root 2 into log mod of sin x plus cos x into root of 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a, that is sin 2x plus c is the simplified value. Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 38. Integral I equal to integral sin 2x by 3 plus 4 cos x. 3 plus 4 cos x whole cube dx. This value we need to find out. Okay, I equal to, here we write the formula for sin 2x. What is the formula? 2 sin x into cos x dx by 3 plus 4 cos x whole cube. Now if I take this is t, the derivative what? Sin, minus sin. Okay, minus will take common, no issue. That's why I'll consider 3 plus 4 cos x is t here. By taking t, I did cos x also from this. Cos x I am finding t minus 3 by 4. This also we need to substitute. Now differentiate this. 3 derivative 0, 4 derivative into 4 into cos derivative minus, that is minus 4 sin x into dx equal to dt. Send this minus 4 right side, it will divide. Sin x dx equal to minus 1 by 4 into dt. Substitute these values in this integral term. I equal to integral 2 is there. Cos x means t minus 3 by 4. Sin x dx is minus 1 by 4 dt. By denominator what? T cube. Now cancellation, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Now 2 into 4, that is 8, minus 1 by 8 common. What remaining? T minus 3 into dt by t cube. Still minus also, if they multiplied, you will multiply inside also minus. That minus if you take inside, what here? Minus of t minus 3, that is 1 by 8, 3 minus t, reverse, by t cube dt. 1 by 8, now divide with the denominator. 3 by t cube, that I can write 3 into t power minus 3. T by t square, that is t power minus 2 into dt. Now 1 by 8 into 3 is a constant. Apply integral of x power n formula. T power n x power minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 by minus 2 minus t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. From this we can write 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2 t square take into denominator, minus of minus plus, t power minus 1 you can write 1 by t plus c. Still they are simplified because they taken LCM, all denominators having square terms. That's why I will take 2t square is the LCM. I will take 1 by 8 minus 3 plus 2t times will multiply by 2t square plus c. Now finally from this value 2 8s are 16, that is 1 by 16. Overall by 16 also you can take option how they given. Yes, okay, total denominator is 16 into t square. What is the t value? 3 plus 4 cos x, that is minus 4. 2t means 2 into 3, 6. 2 4s are 8 cos x by 3 plus 4 cos x whole square plus c. From this final step, minus 3 plus x is 3 plus 8 cos x by 16 into 3 plus 4 cos x whole square plus c is the required value. That is option B is the correct one. Question number 39. Integral dx by 1 plus root x into root of x minus x square dx. Condition wise. Now I will consider here root x is sin p or sin t, no problem, anything you can take. Root x I am taking sin t. Dx by 1 plus sin t, you will differentiate also this one, or still you want easy purpose, you will do one thing, x will take from that, x is equal to sin square t ma, differentiate with respect to x only, x derivative 1, that is 1 dx, sin square t derivative x square form, 2 sin t into cos t into dt. Integral of dx is what? 2 sin t cos t dt by 1 plus x is sin square means root of sin square, what will get? Sin t into root of x is sin square t. X square means what? Sin power 4t. 2 sin t cos t into dt by 1 plus sin t. I will take from this sin square t is common. Sin square t common means what will get? 1 more 1 minus sin square t. So 2 sin t cos t dt by 1 plus sin t. So root of sin square t into cos square t. So root and square will be cancelled, and next step sin t cos t also cancel. What remaining? 2 by 1 plus sin t dt. The options given in the form of in terms of x only again. That's why we need to simplify this. For easy purpose, I will rationalize this function. 2 common. Rationalize means I will multiply and divide with 1 minus sin t into dt. Now numerator 1 minus sin t by a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus sin square t into dt. 2 into integral of 1 minus sin t by 1 minus sin square t is what? Cos square t dt. 2 into integral of, now divide with the denominator, 1 by cos square is secant square t minus sin by cos square. Sin by 1 cos is tan t into 1 more 1 by cos is secant t into dt. Now we will integrate this. 2 into integral of secant square is tan t. Integral of secant into tan or tan into secant is secant t plus c. But we have considered here what? Sine. In terms of sine only we know the value. We will simplify. What is the options given in terms of x only value? Now I will convert this, and according to Pythagoras theorem also we can do. From this, sin t is root x. Sin x is equal to sin square t means sin t is root x by 1 I will take. According to Pythagoras theorem, this is t angle. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. How to find adjacent? Under root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Root x whole square is x. Now I will substitute in this. 2 into tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Root x by root of 1 minus x. Secant means what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. What is the LCM? Root of 1 minus x. Finally, 2 into root x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x plus c. That is option D is the correct one. Next, question number 40. Question number 40, they given 4 into integral root of a power 6 plus x power 8 by x dx. This is a value given. We need to find the integral value of this. Now, if you take this is t, x power a derivative, what will get? 8 into x power 7. That's why your denominator not there in terms of x power 8. For that, I will divide and multiply with x power 8. This by x I can write like this. X power 7 by x power 8. If you cancel out, you will get again what? Same x only by x. Now, to eliminate this square root, because if you not eliminate square root, we can't integrate this one. We don't have any formula also. That's why I am taking a power 6 plus x power 8 is t square. From this I will find out x power 8 value is t square minus a power 6. 4 into, this is the root of t square. Differentiate this. A power 6 derivative is 0. X power 8 is 8 into x power 7 into dx equal to 2t dt. Now 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 4 into x power 7 into dx equal to t dt. 4 also take inside because 4 also will present. So 4 into, I am multiplying divided with x power 7 here. Clear? Now substitute all the terms in this expression. This is t square, root of t square is t. 4x power 7 into dx is t dt by x power 8 is t square minus a power 6. Numerator t square dt by t square minus a power 6. Now, here we can divide. How to divide? By subtract with a power 6 and add with a power 6. Because degree is same, that's why a power 6 subtracting and adding. Into dt. Now divide with the denominator. Now first value becomes 1 into dt. Now by dividing second term, a power x is a constant common. Integral of 1 by t square minus a power 6 dt. Integral of 1 dt. A power 6 1 by t square minus a power 6 I can write a cube whole square. Now integrate this. Integral of t dt t. This is in the form of integral 1 by x square minus a square. Starting proofs are there. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log mod of t minus a by t plus a plus c. Now 3 terms will be cancelled. T plus a cube by 2 log mod of t minus a cube by t plus a cube plus c. What is actually t square is a power 6 plus x power 8. T means root will come. It is root of a power 6 plus x power 8 a cube by 2 is log mod of root of a power 6 plus x power 8 minus a cube by root of a power 6 plus x power 8 plus a cube plus c. That is C in option C ma. Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 41. Integral of root x whole power 5 by root x whole power 7 plus x power 6 dx equal to a into log of x power k by x power k plus 1 plus c. See all of you, root means power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 whole power 5 is x power 5 by 2, here x power 7 by 2, x power 6 dx. Directly we can't get anything here, derivative of any function. This one if you take, converting this one is very difficult. That's why I will convert this all in terms of non-integral powers, like power 1 by 2, 7 by 2 like that. I will take x power 6 is common from denominator. 6 common means what here? What will subtract? X power 7 by 2 minus 6 plus 1 dx. Actually by x power 6 will come a power m by a power n. Okay. This also taken to numerator. X power 5 by 2 minus 6 by, take LCM, 2 6 are 12, 7 minus 12 that is minus 5 by 2 plus c dx. Here plus 1 only. Now take LCM here, 5 minus 12 that is 7 by 2, x power minus 7 by 2 by x power minus 5 by 2 plus 1 dx. Now take this is t. Derivative of x power minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2 into x power minus 7 by 2 will get. That's why x power minus 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to t. By differentiating that, x power n formula minus 5 by 2 into x power minus 5 by 2 minus 1 that is minus 7 by 2 into dx equal to dt. Send minus 5 by 2 that side, it becomes minus 2 by 5. This minus 2 by 5 is constant common. It's total 1 by d. This is t dt. Minus 2 by 5. Integral of 1 by t, that is log mod t plus c. Minus 2 by 5 log of, without mod also you can take, t means what? X power minus 5 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Still we need to simplify. Log of, this I can write 1 by x power 5 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Take mine LCM. By taking LCM, what will get? Log of 1 plus x power 5 by 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2. Take this minus into power of log. Log is reversible bit, that's why by taking this minus, that's power of that, 2 by 5 log of 1 plus x power 5 by 2 by x power 5 by 2 whole power minus 1 plus c. Whole power minus 1 means what? It is reverse. X power 5 by 2 by 1 plus x power 5 by 2. Compare with RHS. A value 2 by 5, K is 5 by 2. That is option B is the correct one.